Thank you for clicking the link and coming to this channel where you get up to date, to the point data and tips so you can make informed decisions to reach your real estate goals. Previous video was on interest rates, how the interest rates had previously climbed or are climbing, and how the rates impact on home prices in previous decades. When they went up, the home prices still continue to go up at a slower rate than previous. So thank you to our 71 subscribers now and to our generous comment by Little Stock Guys. Little Stocks for the Little Guy. Please click like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you see value in this content here. The topic of today is rising rates, impact on housing. So Nadia Evangelou, Director of Forecasting of NAR, National Association of Realtors, says rising inflation, escalation of geopolitical uncertainty, and the Federal Reserve's actions are driving rates higher and weakening consumers' purchasing power, increasing monthly mortgage payments, and affecting home buyers' ability to keep up with the market. So on March 24th, the rates had increased to 4.42. So if we look at the previous 3 months again, they continue to increase from after only 1 week, from 3.11 all the way to 4.42 over 3 months. And so she continues, I expect the 30-year fixed mortgage rate to continue to rise, although we aren't likely to see the big jumps that occurred over the past few weeks. So there's a mixed impact on rising rates on housing. So when these are previous decades, when there were a number of months of rising rates, where rates had increased by an average of 1.46, which is similar to now, over a period of 13 months. So now, if they increase about the same rate in 3 short months, that's 4 times faster than previous decades. And so we'll see how that actually impacts the housing market. Previously, the prices still continue to rise by an average of 8%. However, the number of home sales actually declined due to at the same time as the rates were rising. So how will that impact now? Will we see prices continue to rise? Will we see home sales decline as a result of the rising rates? Previously, there was 5, 4.5, 4.8 months of inventory. Right now in my zip code, there were 30 active listings, 16 sold the last 30 days. That means 30 divided by 16 is 1.87 5 months of inventory. Will the number of months of inventory rise because there's less homes that are selling? We shall see. Freddie Mac says that history suggests that when rates rise, there's an initial bump in home prices as many move quickly to buy a home before rates increase further. But after that, the home prices slow. Lance Lambert of Fortune says more industry insiders are throwing out their previous forecast and replacing them with more bullish short-term outlooks, meaning buyers are afraid that the rates are going to continue to rise. That's what they're saying. And so because they're afraid they're going to continue to rise, they're going to try and buy now. And so more buying activity now, fearing that the rates will continue to go up. Okay, so Freddie Mac, Len Kiefer says, with rates rising and expected to rise through 2023, it makes sense to obtain a purchase mortgage if you are in good standing. And so look at how I calculated a $750,000 mortgage balance. If you look at how much the price difference is, $3,251 in January 1st compared to $3,809 this last week. That's an increase of about over $500. So home prices are continuing to rise according to the home price expectation survey, 25% over the next 5 years. We shall see in the short term and long term if that holds case. And so if you're a buyer looking to buy now, you may want to consider looking at off-market properties. Click the link in the video description below for a strategy how to find deals that are not on the market. And if you're a seller right now, you have an opportunity to set a record price. We don't know if the rise in rates, if it's going to affect the purchasing price that buyers will be able to pay for, and if that how that will affect the market. However, we are at a super high prices, super high rates. Buyers are qualifying for less as a result of the rising rates. And so will that impact housing? Will the prices stabilize and go down? There's a point that it will have to. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please click like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Any real estate questions, feel free to contact me, no obligation. You have a great day.